Changing a burner assembly on a gas water heater is doable for a careful homeowner, but it demands strict safety steps and patient, methodical work. Start by turning the gas control tube off and closing the gas shutoff valve. Then shut off the cold water supply and open a hot faucet to relieve pressure. Verify the pilot is out and wait until the heater cools to room temperature. Use a soap and water mix to confirm there is no residual gas flow at the connections before you start. Disconnect the gas flex line at the union using 2 wrenches so you do not twist the fixed piping. Remove the burner access door. Then carefully disconnect the pilot tube, the thermocouple, and the main burner supply tube at the control valve without bending them. Slide out the burner assembly, note its orientation, and vacuum dust and rust from the chamber. Install the new assembly with the flame spreader aligned, reseat it fully, and reconnect tubes hand tight first. Then snug with a wrench while avoiding over-tightening. Reinstall the door with a good gasket seal. Reconnect the gas line, then turn water on and the gas valve to pilot and relight per the manufacturer's steps. Finish with a thorough leak check on every threaded joint using soap and water, and observe a steady blue flame with minimal yellow tips. 3 common mistakes. Rushing the leak check, which risks gas exposure. Slow down and test every joint with soap and water and look for bubbles for a full minute. Mixing up the pilot tube, thermocouple, and burner pipe during reassembly, label each with tape before removal and take a photo for reference. Ignoring combustion air and chamber cleanliness, vacuum out lint and dust, clear the flame arrestor screen, and ensure the area around the heater has adequate airflow to prevent poor ignition and soot buildup. We created BigHomeProjects.com to make it easier to find local contractors for water heater repairs or installations when the job feels out of reach. We also help contractors connect with homeowners and join our discussion community, where people trade tips, share photos, and ask questions about projects like burner replacements.